Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to be showing you how you can start up your Google Chrome automatically on incognito mode. Now, in order to do this, we are going to have to go deep into the files. Not that deep, it's quite easy actually. And we're going to be changing some shortcut codes, and it should be quite easy as long as you follow along correctly. To begin, we want to find our Google Chrome shortcut. We're going to right click on it, and from there we want to right click on Google Chrome once again. Then go to properties. From there you want to press on open file location, and this is where it is. So from here, what we simply want to do is right click on the Chrome exe, go to properties, right click, properties, go to compatibility, make sure disable for full screen optimization is on, and apply that. From there we can go to program files, Google, and as you can see, it's all this stuff. We're going to go back to our local disk C, go to program files x86, find Google, go to temp, update, and there's all this stuff. So just don't touch those. What you simply want to go to is right here, Google, go Google, right click, open file location, and this is what we want to open up. So from here you want to right click, press on properties, go to shortcut, and from here press the N key on your keyboard or go all the way to the right. We're going to put a space, put a hyphen, and write incognito. Make sure the spelling is correct, INCOGNITO. So a space, a hyphen, and then incognito. From the reply, it's going to ask for you to provide administrative permission. Press on continue. Press on OK. From there, if we open up Google Chrome, as you can see, it did not work because we needed to provide administrative thingy. So let's press on properties once again. I'm going to do this, I'm going to do this, apply. And so basically, I don't know what's wrong with my PC, but after you press on apply administrative features, it is going to ask you to press on it, and so there we go. This is the problem actually. Let me do this one more time. And it didn't make a difference. So you're going to press on allow this app to make permission. You're going to press on yes, and you should be done. So that's it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. If you did enjoy, make sure to like and subscribe, and don't forget that bell icon so you don't miss any of Growmore Tech tutorials. Other than that, I'll see you guys in the next video. Goodbye.